Today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy version of Mexican street corn. That's next. First, I want to talk about grilling. It's very easy to burn your corn, and I know some folks like it a little bit charred, but be careful. I used a grilling device that held the corn above the grill grate. That allowed my corn to get a little bit of browning. You can tell the difference between the corn that was in the device and the ones I put directly on the grill just by the charring. I cooked mine for about 15 minutes each side. You just want them to cook till they get tender. The sides are what make the corn special. I love smothering my corn in crema, chili powder, lime juice, cilantro, and cheese. Some people use a vegan mayo, but I find that the crema is too good to mix with mayo. I really like this version of Cotija cheese because it's crumbly and dry, which means it'll last a lot longer, and it's also very tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!